The Apple case. The monitor have in the middle in the dark little shade is Apple logo, which is subliminal message because every image stays in the memory of the person, so that is way how the company is using that forbidden by American laws ways of manipulation of users. Also, the BMW do that tests with logo in Formula video clip, and that logo is visible after it's broadcasted about 5 seconds after. That is breaking of law. Also, the operating system of Apple is based on Unix platform, a Linux free software, and that software is commercial. That is breaking of law, because if is something free, then all kind of using that software is free. The components that are taken from Linux are the terminal, which is Unix based and is closely connected with Linux because it is root operating system and is visible as component in Apple software. Also, the list of trees is taken from Linux. The icons, the blue versions, is also taken from Linux free software icons. That means that graphical representations of so-called folder explorer is taken from Linux. Also, the system properties solution is also taken from newer versions of Linux Ubuntu. The component of Dawn button is taken from Windows Docs applications. That is also can be found on Linux versions. Together with solutions, auto hide options, the options are lowered, but root solution is taken. The inside of system properties and Einstellungen is also taken from Linux. The titanium version is stated that is made from aluminium and is not totally made of aluminium because the Apple logo is made of plastic and is very movable, which means that part is not made from aluminium and is stated that that case is made of aluminium. Also, the lamp of activity is working after battery is taken down and power source is plugged down, which means that there is some kind of power source inside that is not freely stated in public. Also, on internet is founded that iPhone have software that is tracking the activities of users, which is also not stated to public, so that is together with subliminal message hidden from public, and they, because of transparency, state that components for trackings are inside, that is another power source inside, that is some kind of tracking chip inside, and subliminal messages on monitor, because if is not stated, that means that is something hidden from public, and users do not have option to turn that option off. Same with microphone, but that option of turning is enabled inside that Linux free components inside Apple, which is commercial. If it's so many parts that are operating almost same with Linux Ubuntu, that means that root code, free source code, is taken from free place and get commercialized, which is great breaking of law.